This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
If there was ever a doubt about the commitment of the auto industry to embrace electrification, Mercedes is putting that to rest with the EQE AMG model. While that's a lot of letters to digest, just remember this. AMG is the performance wing of the Daimler Group. The EQE is the battery electric version of the brand's respected E-Class sedan. The base version is rated at more than 500 horsepower. So, when the speed demons at AMG got their hands on it, they did what was expected, with dual front and rear electric motors and some engineering prestidigitation. They upped the power output to 677 horsepower with 738 pound-feet of torque. That's the electronic version of having a supercharger bolted to the motors. The software called Race Start also allows a driver to customize top power output in various modes. This arrangement also makes one-pedal driving an option, and it is worth noting that the traditional braking techniques contribute to energy recuperation to send power back to the battery. In a very typical Mercedes approach, technology is evident in the EV with redundant controls. While there's no petroleum-based fuel to be found in this model, a driver is constantly aware of how much range is left on the battery. But somehow, when assembling this all-electric platform, someone forgot to remove this etched emissions disclaimer from the driver's side window. That can happen when using off-the-shelf parts from internal combustion models. As expected, we found the EQE to be stealth quiet in terms of operating noise. That gave us a chance to appreciate its handling using the familiar 4MATIC all-wheel drive configuration. The sedan is also equipped with rear-wheel steering, which gives it additional control in both parking and tight turns at higher speeds. We have to come clean that having driven the electric S-Class, this AMG buffed-up E-Class has more appeal in both the technical and visceral part of driving. And if the brand makes good on a promise to set up its own charging network in North America, it could be the go-to platform for luxury buyers considering the switch to a fully electric operating mode. I'm Greg Morrison.